video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create high converting gig on Fiverr. So I'm going to be going straight to my laptop and I'm going to be showing you this thing in a practical form. So if you're watching me now and you want to learn how to create gigs on Fiverr, then you are in the right place because I'm going to be doing that now. So let's go straight to my laptop.
All you need to do is click on my business and click on gig. Then from gig, you see where they write create new gig and you find yourself here. Creating a gig, we have 6 different steps. Number 1, the overview. Number 2, pricing. Number 3, description and FAQ. Number 4, requirements. Number 4, requirements. Number 5, gallery. Number 6, publish. And that's the final one. So the overview will have your gig title, category, and search tags, under pricing, and I'll be explaining it as we proceed. If you have not watched the previous class or the previous video, you need to go and watch. Why? Because I explained 5 things that will contribute hugely to your success as a freelancer on Fiverr. Number 1, I said your skill. As a freelancer, you have to understand that your skill is a primary thing. If the skill you are offering is not solving any critical problem, there is not how you make money. For your skill to make you money, it has to be solving a problem that is very, very premium. With that, you can make premium money. Don't be a freelancer that's offering anyhow skill, like removing your background and other menial skills that people are doing. You can't make good money like that. There are good skills you can learn. Give yourself 3, 4, 5 months and you'll be good with this skill. That is, if you don't have a skill currently and you're watching this video, your skill is very, very important. Learn good skills that have high demand, and also the value attached to them are premium. So there's nothing that can stop you. If you want to do it, you do it. But if you have a skill, and you know your skill is very good and you're good at what you do, then you can follow this process and create a gig on Fiverr, and you can start making money from the comfort of your room, just like me. Okay, so let's just create a gig now. Number 1, we said the overview. Now me, I'll be creating a gig on book design because I'm a book designer on Fiverr, and I think I can relate to that very, very easy. Okay, so let's create a gig on book design. I know when we talk about book, we have book itself is very, very broad. We have book cover, we have book formatting, we have book publishing, there's a whole lot that has to do with book. So if you're creating a gig, the first thing you have to take into consideration is let that gig be addressing a specific issue. Don't create a gig, like for instance, create a gig that is talking about, like, I want to create a gig on the book design niche now. Like some people will create a gig that is talking about book formatting, book cover, book publishing, and everything. Just make sure you're addressing a particular aspect of that book itself. That's why it's called a gig. So in this particular video or in this particular class, I'm going to be creating a gig on book formatting. It's an aspect of book design. So I'll be like, I will design a nice looking book. No, sorry, I will format your book. I'll format your book for Kindle publishing. I'll format your book for Kindle publishing, ebook, or for print. You understand? So I'll format this book for the person so that person can upload on Amazon as a Kindle publishing, or I'll format it for them to use it as a general ebook. Or if they want to print it, maybe you want to take it to a printer and print it, they can also do that. So you can see it's very, very straight to the point, easy to understand. So there's no big grammar here, everything just straight to the point. So number 2, we go to the category. Let's be very fast. The category is under graphic design. From graphic design, we have subcategory. The subcategory here now is book design. Okay, book design. We have book design. So the service type now, I'll choose book layout design and typesetting. So we have book cover, we have 2 here. I choose this one. Okay, then now the gig metadata, like how am I, like just like the style now is typography, since it's formatting is typography. The genre, like the niche now, the genre of the book. For no book, we have different genre of book. Okay, for me now, I like working on marketing books. I like working on romance. There's money in this niche too. I like working on self-help awareness. Okay, we have 3. I will choose 5. I like working on cookbooks and children books. You understand? So then my tags now, I told you now, your tag will be something that's related to the service you're offering. Since I'm doing book formatting, my tag book formatting will be the first thing. Number 2, I'll put ebook. Number 3, I'll put Amazon publishing, Amazon Kindle. Number 4, I'll type book. Let's put book design. Number 5, I'll put book layout. Now, there is something to understand. All this I'm just doing from my head, okay? So, but if you're doing your own, study down and check for keywords that has to do with your tags. Don't forget, when people come to Fiverr to look for job, to look for freelancers, they go to search box to type in the service they want. So you have to understand how clients behave, okay? It's just few of them that will have to go to the category and start searching for freelancers one by one in that particular category. Most of them go and type what they want. So what you think they will type, just think, this service I'm offering. If someone wants to hire somebody, if you're a client now, you go to Fiverr to hire somebody, what is the keyword you will type on that search bar to see the people that are offering that particular service? So that thing is what you will type on in this section, which is the keyword aspect. And those keywords are also what you add to your gig title and also your gig description. So you can see now I've put format your book for Kindle publishing, ebook for blah blah blah, things like that. So you have to be very specific with that, and you have to organize everything. So let me go to the next one now, which is the pricing. Now let's be very, very fast. That one will take us much time, but let's see how we go. So the pricing now, we have two types of pricing. We have just read it and understand. We have two types of pricing packages. We have one package which is like you just have one price for everything, or you can have 3 packages. I like going with 3 packages because I don't like leaving money on the table. This is basic now. I can just give it basic. Let it be fast. Basic. Here I can make it standard. The same thing as the top standard. Or the next one I can still make it premium. You understand? Then the gig description, like what on basic now, what should you be offering? Okay, for me now, I will format up to 15 page of your manuscript. I'll format up to 15 page. What is this? My autocorrect is just. I'll format up to 15. I will format up to 15 page. You understand? Then just copy it and paste it here. Then this one, which is standard, I'll do it up to 40 page. While this guy here up to 100 page. Then delivery time, I'll make this one 2 days, depending on, just check how many days it will take you to finish the work. So I'll make this one 4 days. Yours might be 1 day, yours might be 2 days, depending on what you're offering. You determine the number of days to take you. I'll make sure that it is not too long, because speed. If you are not serious, they'll give it to someone else. So the same number of pages now. That's what I'm adding here. The number of images now, like if you're formatting book, at times there might be 8 images inside. Here I need only 3 images. Here I can work with 6 images, but here I can work with 10 images. So creating these things differs from service to service. You understand? So once you know your skill, then you know how to fill in all these things. Source file is like, for example, if you design with Photoshop or Illustrator or with CorelDRAW, the source file itself, I'm going to send it to them. That's what the source file means. So I'm not going to give you this basic, but I'm going to be giving premium source file. Okay, standard, I'm not going to be giving this guy standard. Social media kit, I'm not doing it. Clickable table of contents, I'm not doing it. Revision, you can put revision, but me, I like putting unlimited revision. You might be like, I'm setting myself for setup, but there's a way to go about it. You understand? And I can't teach that here, but that's why I talk about communication. In the previous class, I talk about communication. If you understand what the client wants, then you should be afraid of revision, depending on this kind of skill you're offering. But for my niche here, which is book design, I'm not afraid of revision, because I know that if I deliver it, there's high possibility that the client will not ask for revision. And even if they ask, it's just simple thing, because I try as much as possible to understand what the client wants. Basic, let's put here $20. Here, let's put here $40. While here, let's put here $100. So, okay, so yours might be different. Okay, so now for licensed images, we're using licensed images, you can't just go and generate a picture for clients. You understand? So you choose the price you are putting. Okay, if it's $2, yeah, just check it depending on how much you think you want to charge for it. But it's from Shutterstock. So this you can have, because you can use your own money to pay for image for them. So as a graphic designer, don't go and be using images from the internet anyhow. It's very, very bad. Pay for images. You understand? If you must use free images, make sure where you're getting it from is license free. So now we have what we call gig extra. Gig extra is like you offering something additional. It's like you upselling something. We have gig extra. So now, since here I'm offering 15 pages, I can be like, if you are to add any page to this thing, I'll click on this additional page. If I have to add any page to this thing, then you have to pay me additional for it. Why extra delivery too is here. Since here I'm offering this package for 2 days, this one for 4 days. If you say no, I want it within 24 hours, then I can put 1 day and I'll charge you more for it. Maybe because you want it for 24 hours, I will charge additional $10 for it. Then for this one that is 4 days, you want it within 2 days, I can still charge $10 for it. And this guide, so you say you want it within 2 days, I can still charge $10. Okay, so maybe like this one, I can also make it $20 since it's a big one. Then this one, let me make it $15. So source file, if you want to charge for source file, since that basic guy, I didn't give him source file, and if you want for source file, I can just make it $5. It don't cost me anything. Social media kits, the design we design for book. Like if you want to upload on social media, and we can design that to you, so that it's very fine. The book, your picture, and some other details that you want to add, you can just put it to. For that, maybe you can charge $30 for that. Then you can put additional 1 day and just play around it. Once again, additional revision. So you can just play around it. You can see add gig extras if you can see add your own. You understand? You can see add. That's why at times you can see. I'm a level 2 seller, so that I can add up to I think 6 gig extra. I can't really remember how many gig extra I can add. But if you're a new seller, I think you can add up to 2. But I can add as many. Yes, see, I can add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can add 6 gig extra as a level 2 seller. So, yeah, but for you that is starting, you can't add 6. I think it's only 2 you can start with, or 1. I can't really remember how it works again. So all these ones is for me. I'm a level 2 seller because I can still, maybe for instance, people can subscribe to my package as in 3 months, 6 months. Like they can just pay for 6 months or 3 months. The subscription plan, but it won't be available for you. Okay, I think yours is able to end here. There will 2 gig extras. Then from there you can move on. So the gig extra and all this stuff, that's why at times you see somebody charging $10 for per gig, and after everything you also can see make $100 or $50. Why? Because of gig extra. So your gig extra also will also allow you to earn more money if you know what you are doing. So you understand? Also make this is why it's $20 here, because of the images that we added. This image, this image, that time we're adding images from Shutterstock that they must pay for. That's why it added to the main money to pay here. But for the gig extra, the money is separate. You understand? So you can, even though you're like now, this basic now is $20 now. The person here might purchase this social media kit, which is $30. Like they have made $50. Maybe you can say I need source file. That is $55. And I want it quick delivery. That is $65. You understand? So let's add 1 gig extra now. Book cover. Someone that buys that wants book format, we also need book cover, right? I will design an amazing book cover for you. Book cover for you. Let's use that. Okay. Amazing is not amazing, because then the price, let me put $15. Okay, 1 day extra. So like that's added again. So the person wants book cover. Okay, I don't know. You can say book cover. So you can say book cover for me. Yes, then he or she can pay you $2. When they are ordering, they see this book cover and they need it to pay for it also. So let's go straight up to the next thing. What is happening here? The price must be a multiple of 5. Oh, okay. Multiple of 5. Okay. 23. 41. Okay. 105. 106. So that's the multiple of 5. So you can't put 41. That's, you understand what it means here. So anything you're adding from that images side, depending on your gig, if you're a graphic designer, anything you're adding from that images side, make sure that the thing is a multiple of 5. Like your gig can be that 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So you can't have 16, you can't have odd number. That's a multiple of 5. That's what it means. So let's go to the next section. Wow, taking much time here. So the next section is a gig description part now. Okay, so now I don't want to write it. Let me go to ChatGPT. Hope you know what is ChatGPT. It's like an AI that can help you write anything. It's a game changer. Let me tell you, it's very, very good. Let me just write me a Fiverr gig description on book formatting. So it's an AI to help me write everything. You can see it's writing everything for me. You can see. Don't go and use it, or use your head and write it too. I don't want to waste time. You understand? If you're writing your gig description, let it be very well. Don't write it yourself. Let me not go and spoil you guys. Okay. I just copy it. I'm just trying to beat time, that's why I'm using it here. But I use it for other things, sure. So I'll just paste it here. Okay, I'm just trying to beat time and sure you can see what. But for your gig description, you need to have a good offer. Yes, so I didn't even take time to read through it. I just want something to be there for me to move on. But if you check it, you can still use it and edit it to your own taste. You understand? Because you can just copy it and just paste it there. FAQ is like, what do you like? Known as frequent asked question. Let me just put. This is what they will see. Do you also design book cover? This is an FAQ. So you can use ChatGPT to do a whole lot of stuff. You understand? But make sure you edit it. I can put yes. You can check out the gig extras or reach out to me. Personally. So I'll just click on add. You can add as many as you want, but with one I'm okay. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, now this is we have finished with description, and now we're in the requirements. Now, requirement like is what do you want the client to do? For instance, now since I'm a book designer, I'm formatting a book. I would like them to give me manuscripts. They have to send me their manuscript. So I'll just click on this place. Send me your manuscript in Word document. You understand? In Word document. So free text. Can be free text, multiple choice. I like free text. Add. That is the only thing I used to ask them. Then I click on save and continue. I think that is all. How to get out. So now this is where we have add our thumbnail. You can see 1, 2, 3 thumbnail, 1 video, then 2 PDF. You understand me? So let me put my first thumbnail. Okay. Let me just put any book here. I'm just putting a book. I'm just looking for something I can just put shop. Okay, let me put this guy number 1. Oh, the size is too big. Okay, let me put this on number 1. Okay, it's going. Number 2. Your picture should not be more than 5 MB or so. Okay, it's not that one is going. Number 3. The picture should not be more than 5 MB or so. Then your video should not be more than 70 MB or so. I don't really remember. It's been long I did all these stuff. So I have a lot of things going on now, so I don't longer spend much time on Fiverr like before. I have other things that I'm involved in. Also give me money. Before I started with freelancing on Fiverr, so all my time is on Fiverr. So because I'm making money from there, but now I have moved on to other stuffs. But I'm still a designer. But my work is more on a larger scale now than freelancing on Fiverr alone. You understand? So the thing is that freelancing on Fiverr will give you a platform to start up something, and as you make money, you build another thing. And this is one of the things I'm going to be explaining in the subsequent videos, how you can position yourself and make more money even beyond freelancing on platforms. Freelancing on platforms is very, very good. Like you can make good money. All these images I'm clicking is beyond 5, it's more than 5 MB. That's why it's not good. So I'm going to be showing you how you can position yourself. Well, all these are more than 5 MB. How you can position yourself and make money even outside location is going outside freelancing platform like this. But freelancing platform like this, you can make good money from it. So now I want to put an image and a video. I like putting video, it's very, very important. It's not difficult. I just did a video, short video now. Okay, let's look at it. I just did a short video to upload for the sake of this class. Okay, what is happening? Oh, it's 150 MB. Okay, no, this is one. I save it to book design. Let me just play it so that you see it is not something that is difficult.
Hi, my name is Joshua. I'm a book design specialist. I help all of us like you create high converting book designs that will increase clicks, conversion, and gives you more sales and ultimately make you a bestseller. If you're looking for someone that is friendly, easy to work with, good at time management, and that also has fun.
You see, that is how it is. Just say something about yourself. It doesn't need to be complex. So for PDF, I have a PDF. I'm not going to waste my time doing that here. I have a PDF for that. You understand? I just want to show you how it works. So you can upload your PDF. So the aim of all these things is for people to see what you are doing. So each of these images, you can put tags to them. Select it, use children book. Then you can see put tags for each of them. Okay, but I don't want to do that here. Click on it. Each of the images you can put tags on it. It also helps in your search engine, it also helps this to gain visibility. That's what I mean. So let me just click on yes. Okay, then I click on save. Oh, it's by force. I have to put it. I'm forgetting most of these things. Okay, children. Then here let me just put tag, book formatting, book design. Let me leave it as 2. Time is going. This one too. Let's put marketing. This one, let me just put ebook for just 1. But it's 3. It's up to 3. Just but make sure you do the right thing. I'm just trying to be fast here. Commands. But make sure what you're doing is you don't have a PDF. You just go click. Okay. Let me click on go. Save and continue. The last thing here is publish. So our gig is now perfect now. If I click on publish now, everything will be set. So you can see your gig is open for business. Boom. If you are creating gig, those thumbnails, where is it? Where is the thumbnail? Those thumbnails, before you import them to this place, name them with your gig title. All these thumbnails, name the images with your gig title. Now, if you can see this video, before I upload this video, I name it as Joshua Dead or something like that, or book design. Book design. Sorry, you understand? But I didn't do it well. Name it with your gig title. It also helps to rank your gig too. It also add in your SEO too, because even images too, once you put name on them, it helps to rank your particular gig too. You understand? So I didn't talk much on SEO. SEO is very important. SEO is like search engine optimization. Let there be keywords in everything you are doing. Like all these things you are seeing here, those tags, put keywords to them. Those keywords, book design, book cover, depending on the service you're offering, add keywords to them. And with that, you are good to go. So thank you very much for staying tuned. This is a day 14 of our skill monetization series. So see you tomorrow again. I remain Joshua at Dead Job.